everyone, welcome back to Recipes by Aisha. Today we will be making the most demanding green garlic with millet flour bread and roasted eggplant. You have to watch this video till the end as I will be sharing all the tips in between. Let's cook it. First take one eggplant and roast it on medium to low flame till it is roasted from all sides and cool it down in the water. Then peel off the eggplant from all sides completely and mash the pulp using a fork. The smoky eggplant gives a very beautiful smell. Transfer the pulp to 1 cup of yogurt and add salt to taste. Give it a mix till it is well combined. And this is how the most delicious smoky eggplant sauce is ready. Next, you have to take 3 cups of millet flour to make the amazing flatbread out of it. This flour is easily available at all Indian grocery stores, so you can grab it. Then add salt to taste and mix it together. Now you have to make a dough, so keep adding the water gradually to make a hard dough and knead it properly, which will take almost 4 to 5 minutes. The best is to use the hands for kneading this dough, which is also worth it at the end. Now leave the dough for 15 minutes to rest and then divide this dough into 3 parts and keep your hands wet with water to give them the round shape. Then take one part of the dough and use palm of your hands to press the dough ball and turn it into a flatbread. Avoid using rolling pin here as the flatbread may break while rolling it from a rolling pin, and the size of one flatbread should be small and not more than your hand size. Heat the pan on high before you put the flatbread and leave it for a minute to cook it properly. Then flip this side and cook it again from the other side for 1 minute till both sides are cooked properly. Make all 3 flatbreads in the same way. Keep them aside to cool down. Now break each flatbread into small pieces. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Add half of them into the food processor, then grind it completely. For the remaining half, break the flatbread pieces into small chunks using hands, as we need both the forms of small chunks and grinded flatbread. So mix the both small chunks with the grinded flatbread together. Then take 1.5 cup of green garlic chopped and add salt as per your taste and transfer it to the flatbread pieces. Give it a proper mix till they become friends together, and your delicious green garlic with millet flour flatbread looks really good now. Give it a smoke using coal for 2 minutes and drop some oil drops on the flatbread as well. The whole kitchen will be filled with the beautiful fragrance of smoky millet flour flatbread and a smoky eggplant curd. Serve them together, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes.